Whoa, here we go!
Whee! Whee, I'm Helen! Yay! I didn't know the voice I did. Whee!
Wow!
Just stay seated till the ride stops, guys. Just stay seated, okay?
Stay seated, Ollie. Stay seated, Pilot Bear. And that is the end.
Of the rise.
We're dying.
Good to go now, guys.
You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.